Hi there, this is Mr. McGrain. What we're going to do today is to go ahead and walk you through a step-by-step process on how to create a copycat Olive Garden soup recipe. It's one of our family favorites. It makes plenty for all 6 of us here, but then also we have plenty of leftovers. The kind of goal for this Tips of Everyday Living is to go ahead and give you guys some life skills. For one, obviously to try to create some meals that are delicious, but then also to create some leftovers to where we don't always have to go out to eat every day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and walk you through the step-by-step process of how we make this. I'll show you all the ingredients, show you what we do. If this is something that you're interested in, we'll go ahead and link the recipe with you down below. Hope you enjoy. First thing that you're going to need is a large 6-quart soup pot. You need 4 peeled and diced russet potatoes. As you can see, I've already done that. You need 1 medium yellow onion, diced up as well. As you can see that I've done that. A pound of sausage, garlic clove. We've got bacon bits. We change this up a little bit. Instead of frying the bacon, we just go ahead and put some bacon bits in there. 32 ounces of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and about a few handfuls of baby kale and some salt and pepper to taste. The first step, anytime you're working with stainless steel, the tip is you need to make sure that the pot is good and heated. That way the food, whatever you're cooking, does not stick to the bottom of it. So we've gone ahead and preheated, letting that thing warm up a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and get going and cook the sausage. So as you can see, we've got the sausage cooked up and nice and brown, and now the next step is we're going to go ahead and drain this and let it sit for a little bit and cook up the onions. Onions have been cooking for around 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the garlic clove to cook it for an additional 1 minute, and then add some flour to it. We've added 2 tablespoons of flour into the garlic and onions and stirred it around a little bit. This is just to be able to thicken it up and bond things together. And now we're going to go ahead and add the chicken broth to break things up even more. So the chicken broth has been added. We've added the 4 russet potatoes as well. We're going to bring this to a gentle boil and let it cook for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender with a fork, and then we'll move to the next step. The potatoes are cooked. We've added the cooked sausage back in. Now we're going to go ahead and add the bacon bits in there. One cup of heavy cream. And we're going to go ahead and stir that up and then add a couple handfuls of kale to end it all up. We've gone ahead and stirred everything up. We're adding a couple handfuls of kale to give some green to it. Add a little extra flavor. Stir this up. We're going to let it sit and we should be done. So here's the finished product. I like to put a little crushed red pepper to add a little spice to the soup. We keep that off for the kids. So for a little less than $20, all the ingredients combined, you get to be able to feed a family of 6 and have plenty of leftovers. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you the next time.